Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Birmingham. I am halfway between Yardley Wood and Shirley Park. I'm at the Baldwin. So, car park is free. You don't have to put your reg in at this point in time, which is the middle of July 2025. I'm just walking down to the Baldwins Green. Baldwin have a great side in the top division on a Saturday and Wednesday, and I think Thursday as well. And one of their players at the moment, she plays flat green bowls, lawn bowls, and she is the #1 in the world, and that is Emily Koenig. Her sister Shannon and mum and dad all play, so it's a proper family affair. So I'm just going to walk in the gate and show you the green.
That's it, yeah, more like it. That's it.
Baldwin, it's got a sister pub called the Magpies. Don't know if you can read that. It was completed in 1937. The Baldwin was a ship. Just have a walk around the green. I'll get a picture of or a video of the back of the pub. Looks like a ship. Got it across the green here. It's the home side having their practice before we go on. You can see clubhouse. You can't really see the pub from here. It's a big green. Okay everyone, hope you're finding these interesting. If you are, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, all helps. And as always, I'll see you at the next one.